In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process on how you can create an app like this using ChatGPT. Watch this video till the end because I will also show you how you can convert it into an APK file, which you can install on your Android device, share with your friends, or even publish on the Play Store. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate the code with ChatGPT. The first step is deciding what kind of app you want to create. You can describe your idea to ChatGPT, and it will generate the necessary code. For this tutorial, we'll be building a simple ping-pong game. Let's ask ChatGPT to generate the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code for a ping-pong game. Step 2. Test the code in CodePen. CodePen is an online editor that lets us run HTML, CSS, and JavaScript together. Create a new project or pen. You'll see 3 sections, one for HTML, one for CSS, and one for JavaScript. Copy the HTML code from ChatGPT and paste it into the HTML section. Do the same for the CSS and JavaScript. Once that's done, we should see a preview of our game. Let's test it. The game works, but we can definitely make it look and function better. Step 3. Improve the game's design. Let's add some enhancements. We will add a score system, change the layout, add a pop-up to announce the winner, and include a restart button. To do this, let's go back to ChatGPT and ask it to modify the design with these improvements. Once we get the updated code, we replace our old code in CodePen. Now, you can see that the layout has changed. When we play the game, it now displays a pop-up announcing the winner and includes a restart button to start a new game. If you want to add more features or customize it further, you can ask ChatGPT to modify the code accordingly. Step 4. Save your code locally. First, open Notepad. Copy and paste the HTML code into it. Then save the file as index.html. Next, create a new file in Notepad. Copy the CSS code and paste it there. Save this file as style.css. Similarly, open another new file, copy the JavaScript code, and paste it into the Notepad. Then save it as script.js. Note: store all these files in a single folder. Once all the files are saved, navigate to the folder where they are stored and click on the index.html file. This will launch the game in your browser, allowing you to run it locally. Now, I'll show you how to convert this app into a mobile app that you can install on your Android device. Step 5. Host the game online. A simple way to do this is by using Netlify. Go to netlify.com. The link is in the description. Then click Add New Site and select Deploy Manually. Drag and drop the folder containing your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Once uploaded, click the button to view your application. If you want to customize the URL, go to Site Configuration. Scroll down and select Change Site Name. Enter your preferred site name and click Save. As you can see, your application's URL is now updated. Now, your game is live, and you can share the link with others. Step 6. Convert the game into a mobile app. To do this, we'll use a free tool called Web into App. The link is in the description. Click Get Started, then enter your app's URL. To find this, open Netlify, copy the URL, and paste it into the Web into App tool. Next, enter a name for your app and click Next. You'll now need to add an app icon. Click Set Icon, select your icon, and click Open to upload it. Once the icon is added, click Make App. Fill in the required details and click Register. And that's it. We have converted our web app into a mobile app. Step 7. Install the app on your phone. Once the conversion is complete, you can download your app. Click Download, then Download Files, and the app will be saved to your computer. Next, transfer it to your phone. Start by extracting the zip file. Right-click on it, select Extract All, and click Extract. After extraction, open the Android folder, where you'll find the APK file. To install the app on your Android phone, upload the APK file to Google Drive by dragging and dropping it. Once uploaded, open Google Drive on your phone, locate the APK file, and tap Install. After installation, tap Open, and your app is ready to use. You can follow the same steps to create and install any app in just a few minutes. Check out the links in the description for useful resources. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial, Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.